These are all the moisturizing products that I'm going to be using for this moisturizing spray. So the first thing first, distilled water. I'm using pure mineral-free water that hydrates the hair without buildup, ensuring that our strands stay moisturized and refreshed. The next thing I'm going to be using is this empty oil bottle for easy application. You can use a convenient applicator bottle that allows for precise and mess-free distribution of your moisturizing oil blend directly to the scalp and your hair. We're using a leave-in conditioner, and this leave-in conditioner is a lightweight conditioner. I'm going to dilute it with our distilled water to provide a long-lasting hydration, softness, and manageability without weighing the hair down. I'll mix this together with the water. The next product would be the vegetable glycerin oil. This is a powerful humectant that draws moisture from the air into the hair, keeping it soft, hydrated, and less prone to dryness and breakage. I will also put Jamaican black castor oil. This Jamaican black castor oil is rich and it's also a thick oil known for its ability to strengthen hair, promote hair growth, and lock in the moisture, making it ideal for dry, brittle strands. Avocado oil is packed with essential fatty acids and vitamins, and avocado oil deeply nourishes the hair, enhancing shine and elasticity while reducing breakage. Rosemary oil is a scalp stimulating essential oil that promotes circulation, encouraging hair growth while reducing dandruff and scalp irritation. I will also use peppermint oil, which is known for its cooling sensation. Peppermint oil invigorates the scalp, promotes hair growth, and it helps relieve itchiness and dryness. And then I'll also be using tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is a natural microbial oil that helps to combat scalp issues such as dandruff and buildup, keeping the scalps clean and healthy for optimum hair growth. By mixing all these powerful moisturizing ingredients, you create a nourishing, hydrating, and growth-stimulating hair moisturizer that helps retain moisture, prevent breakage, and promote overall hair health. You can use this regularly for softer, manageable, and thriving natural hair. If you struggle with dry, brittle hair, you need this moisturizing spray. For the fun part, which is the application part, take your empty bottle filled with moisturizing blend and apply on your scalp. So what I do is I usually apply this on my scalp, and I use this on a day-to-day basis as my hair needs. So you want to not use a lot of it, you just need a little bit, and you just have to apply it on your cornrows or whichever protective style that you're wearing. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and comment down below what you think about this blend, and if you have any recommendations, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.